So many people have had problems with their Samsung Plasma and LCD TVs. This is my Samsung FP-T5084 50-inch plasma TV bought online from Circuit City in December of 2007 for $2,000. Mysteriously, all power stopped working on this machine about a week ago. The red indicator light would not come on, none of the buttons would work, the machine would not power on. I researched this online and found that many users have had this problem. Unfortunately, I'm 3 months out of warranty and Samsung would not extend my warranty, especially since I've subsequently lost the original receipt that came with the online purchase. So I carefully took the TV down from its wall mount and placed it on a soft surface face down. Then I removed the screws that go around the edges and removed the screws that held in the cable connects, and I was able to remove the back off the TV. Once the back was off the TV, you can inspect the inner components of the TV. Through my online research, I found that it was probably a problem with the power supply board. Tracing the power plug inlet wire up, you'll find a roughly 12 by 12 power board near the top middle of the TV. Inside this power board there are 3 fuses. These are 20. These fuses are standard 12 amp 250 volt ceramic fuses. I could not purchase these at Radio Shack, but did find them in an electronics supply store in Cincinnati, Ohio called Sinclair's Electronics. They cost about $3 a piece. Here is a closer view of the fuses in question. They were at the lower left-hand corner of the fuse box, right adjacent to where the power control enters the power supply board. I was able to carefully pry these fuses out and test them with a testing meter. When I tested them for continuity, the uppermost fuse in the panel showed no continuity. I replaced this fuse. After replacing this fuse, I powered the machine back on and voila, it worked. I'm suspicious that there might be larger problems with this power supply board, but for now I'm going to go with the simple fuse fix. The power supply board can be bought online on eBay for $89 with $15 shipping. This is a common problem with these Samsung TVs, and the fix is easy with very little electrical know-how. Samsung should at least give online information on how to solve this problem, especially with these TVs now going out of warranty.